With Hikvision's distance learning solution, you can help students break through the barrier of physical distance. The class recording management allows for camera switching among different views. The image remains fixed when the teacher starts writing on the blackboard and resumes tracking when the teacher moves back into the frame. Hikvision facilitates real-time audio-video synchronous learning between classrooms through interactive flat panels, integrated intelligent cameras, and software that support content interaction and real-time communication. Remote sharing gets much easier through ClassN's integrated tools and conferencing software. Hikvision Smart Classroom supports interactive apps, including ClassLink and ClassN, aligning with various software for a limitless classroom experience. Teachers can view their teaching videos and attendance results on the platform. Announcements and notifications can be released to digital signage for students to check.